Hi, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. Today's video is just my evening routine, and this is the routine that I follow to make sure that I am well rested for an early start the next day. So the first thing I do is shut down everything for work, and I like to clear my desk so that it is nice and fresh for the morning. I do just leave out a couple of bits, but that is to make sure that I get up and do my morning routine. I then just like to close all the blinds in my room and make sure that my room feels nice and cosy for the evening. And then it's time to head downstairs to make some dinner, but before I go downstairs I read my affirmations. Now these are stuck on the back of my door, so whenever I leave my room I say these affirmations out loud. And there are also just some pictures around there that make me feel inspired. And before I feed myself I have to feed the cats, so they get very excited for their dinner. And then it's time to start cooking my own dinner. So I like to get my hair out my face firstly, wash my hands and make sure I've got all of the ingredients out. I really enjoy cooking and I find it a really nice way to go from working into the evening. I just find it quite a nice transitioning activity to do. I also think it's so important to have a nice nutritious dinner if you are planning on getting up early in the morning. Tonight's dinner was just a bacon and mushroom risotto, and I found the recipe on BBC Good Food, so I will link that below. It was really easy to make and tasted really good. And then I just popped it in a bowl, seasoned it with some salt and pepper and topped it with some grated parmesan. And then once I was done with dinner, I just headed back upstairs to finish the rest of my evening. And at this point of the evening, I like to put on my Aromatherapy diffuser. It lasts for about 3 hours, so it carries on just until I pretty much fall asleep, which is perfect timing for me. So tonight I used the Relax scent, and you just pop a few drops into the diffuser and just switch it on, and it just fills the whole room with this beautiful relaxing smell. I then just pick out some pyjamas to change into, so I just got my long sleeve grey ones out because it is still quite chilly. And of course these pyjamas go straight on the radiator in the bathroom. This is one of my favourite things to do, and it's just such a nice treat when you get out of the bath to dry yourself off with the towel and then put on some really nice toasty PJs. And then I just like to start running my bath, and I start this now so that the bath is ready as soon as I've finished washing my face. So now it's just time for me to take off the day's makeup. So what I like to do first is use the Magnetone flannel. All you have to do is get the flannel wet, and then you just wipe your face and it takes off your makeup. So it just eliminates the use of baby wipes or face wipes, and it just makes it much easier to then cleanse your face after. And once I have removed my makeup with the flannel, I then go in with the Glam Glow cleanser. And then obviously just rub that into my face. And I also like to take it down my neck as well to make sure that I am giving myself a full cleanse. And then typically I will do a double cleanse, and what I like to do is remove the final cleanse with a white flannel, and this just helps to make sure that I've got all my makeup off, because if I wipe my face and any part of that flannel is orange, I know my face is not quite clean enough. Now that my face is all cleansed, I like to light the candles and get my bath ready for me to get into it. So I use the Champneys Bubble Heaven Slumber. And this is just a really nice bubble bath and it smells so relaxing. And then I use these Sleep Therapy bath salts. And whilst I'm in the bath, I like to have a face mask on, so I just go through and decide what face mask I'm going to use. And today I went for this avocado sheet mask. I don't know how anyone puts on a sheet mask and ends up looking like anything other than a serial killer, but this is me just popping on the sheet mask and it's quite terrifying, to be honest. And then it's time to switch up the bathroom atmosphere and make sure it is nice and relaxing. I absolutely love a candlelit bath, and I feel like it's just such a treat from myself to just take that little bit of extra love and care. Then once I'm out the bath, I then moisturise, so I'm using this Festive Berry moisturiser from the Body Shop. I then pop on my nice and toasty pyjamas, and honestly, if you haven't done this, just give it a go because it is one of the nicest things in the world. And then it's just time to finish off my skincare, so I just rub the sheet mask in and then remove it and just rub in the extra serum that's left on my face. I then go in with the Illumia Ultimate Boost Serum and just pop that all over my face as well. And then I use the Murad Eye Serum and just dot that under my eyes and rub that in. And finally I use the Lash and Brow Enhancer by Hairburst and just run that through my eyebrows and my eyelashes. My night skincare routine is really simple and easy, and that is just how I like it. I then just come back into my bedroom where normally Chester will be waiting for me. And I make sure the atmosphere in my room is also nice and cosy. I then just grab my yoga mat and I just get this out so I can do some stretches. I think just taking the time out to stretch your body before bed just really releases any tension that you may still be carrying from the day, and it just helps me to sleep better. I then just grab my workout clothes for the morning and pop them on the chair. So this is where I've left my books that I use to do my morning routine, and I also leave my workout clothes here. This is just so when I wake up in the morning, everything is there ready for me to use. Also at this time I just turn off my Salt Rock lamp and I pop my phone on charge as well. And my phone automatically goes on Don't Disturb at 9:30 and then turns back off of Don't Disturb at 6 in the morning. And then I just get into bed and read for a little bit until I am tired, and then finally when I am tired enough I just turn out the light and go to sleep. I really hope you enjoyed watching this evening routine that helps me to prepare for an early start the next day. I hope you're having a beautiful day whatever you're doing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!